is Lily and welcome back to my channel. So Bobbi Brown just got back in her Bronze Glow. Remember when this came out a few months ago, it was so popular. There was a pink glow and a bronze glow, and they both sold out everywhere. Macy's, everywhere that sells Bobbi Brown, they all sold out. So I got an email that from Sephora that they're back in stock. So I placed my order on, I'm just going to say a couple days ago. Sorry, hair in my mouth. And I just got it today, picked it up from my P.O. box. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I tested it. I actually applied it on my face, just a little short, quick video. And if you want to see all the makeup that I'm wearing, click on the link below. It'll take you to my beauty blog post where I listed everything that I'm wearing. Okay, so Bronze Glow, and it looks like this. It's so pigmented. I might have went a little crazy on my face. I put it here on the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, you know, my cheeks. So I might have went just a tad bit crazy in the video, but I kind of wanted to make it show up on the video for you. So it's very pigmented. You only need like just a little dab and then apply it. But of course I kept dabbing and applying, so you'll see it. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like on brown skin, and thank you for watching.